This video is to show how to disassemble the mold. To remove the mold, the first step is we'll loosen the connection between the mold and the machine framework. That is, remove the fast plug-in connector. Open the left side door first. Remove the first connector, and the second one, and the third one, and the top one. Go to the back door and open it. Remove the bottom plug, remove the top plug, loosen them, and organize them. Remember to close the door back and close the left side door back. Set the machine at manual. Click Mode Replace. Set the left one at bottom line OK. The position movement state of the entire set of modes will be entered. The next step is to make the heating mode forward. The data should be set at 585. Back-click the forward or back. The data will be set to 585. And also the heating mode will be at a new position this time. Next, adjust the position of the lower mode. Click down and down to -12. Then up the upper mode. Insert the 8 guide columns, and 4 short columns are for the upper mode, and the other 4 are for the lower mode. Insert them, and you must make sure after the adjustment of this upper mode, lower mode, heating mode, there should be space left for the columns, and can allow the 8 columns to be inserted. After this, press the up for the lower mode. After inserting the guide column, we need to press the reset key at this time because we just met the safety grating, so need to reset. Slow down the speed and pay attention to the direction of the 4 guide columns. They should aim at 4 holes. Then click Loosen in the heating mode. Then click up for the lower mode. The lower mode and the heating mode will be moved as a whole. And pay attention to the position. The 4 corners of the heating mode are separate from the position slot, and the surface should be above of the yellow parts. Click down for the upper mode. Mind their direction. They should directly point to the 4 holes. Down to the line trace marked on the guide rod. Then click Loosen of the upper mode. Open the 2 location pins at the top. Click the up key on the far left to increase the top fixed board. The 4 locks should be higher than the upper mode. That is, the position should be increased. Press the down key, down mode lock, loosen key, and rise key in order. This is the state of the final interface. You can withdraw the mode now. Be careful, it's very heavy.